Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a sticky header using the free version of Elementor with the Astra theme. So as you can see right now, the header on my demo website is not currently sticky, so I'm going to show you how to set this up. Now, first thing I'm going to show you is if we go over to the WordPress dashboard and then go to plugins, you can see I do have Elementor Pro installed, but I have it deactivated. So I'm only using the free version of Elementor for this tutorial. And then if we go over to appearance and then themes, I am currently using the Astra theme. So all we need to do is come over here and click customize. So under appearance, just click customize and then come down to additional CSS. And right here, we're just going to paste in a little bit of CSS code. Now I have included a link to my website in the description of this video. So if you head over to my website, you'll see some CSS code right here. So all we want to do is take this first block of code right here, just go ahead and copy it, and we're going to paste that into the CSS box. Now when we scroll, you can see the header is automatically sticking to the top of the page. So all we're doing here is targeting the site header that Astra uses, and we set the position to sticky. And then I have this Z index right here. You just want to keep this at a really high number. I have mine set to 999. It just ensures that the header will always overlay on top of any other element on your site. Now, while this does look good, having a little bit of a shadow behind it would make it pop out a little bit more. So if you go back to my site, there's a couple other blocks of code here. If you have a light background, in which case I do have a light background since the background is set to white, we can just go ahead and copy this code right here and just paste this right underneath the first code. And now you can see, I don't know how well you can see it in the video, but there is a real subtle box shadow behind the header. So now when you scroll, it just makes the header stand out a little bit more. And you can always come down here to adjust the value a little bit. So if we change it to 8, it'll kind of reduce the shadow a little bit more. So you can play with it a little bit to see what works best for your site. Now, if you are using a dark theme website or a dark background color, then just use this code right here instead of this code up here. All right, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.